Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of folding pants. Yes, you heard that right. We've got 4 ingenious and little-known techniques that will revolutionize the way you fold your pants and keep them neatly organized. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the 3-part fold. This method is perfect for hiding that lower part of your pants right at the waist. Here's how it works. 1. Start by laying your pants flat. 2. Fold the pants into thirds, bringing the bottom up to the waistband. 3. Tuck the lower part into the waistband. Voila! Neat and tidy. Next, let's spice things up with the overleg fold. It's super simple. 1. Fold one leg over the other. 2. Then, take the hanging leg and fold it towards the waist. 3. And there you have it, a perfectly folded pair of pants. Now, for our third technique, we're going to roll it up with the even width roll. 1. Fold one leg over the other and push them to an even width. 2. Then simply roll them up tightly from the waistband down. And while we're at it, let's not forget how to fold a t-shirt in just 2 seconds. It's a game changer. 1. Lay your shirt flat with the front facing up. 2. Identify points A, B, and C. 3. Grab point A with your right hand and point B with your left hand. 4. Bring it to C and grab it, then pull out B. 5. Fold it over and done. In just 2 seconds. There you have it. 4 ingenious ways to fold your pants and a nifty trick for t-shirts that will save you time and keep your closet looking sharp. Don't forget to give these techniques a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time for more clever hacks to make your life easier.